Where's your car?
Where's yours?
Ladies don't drive themselves, that's what men are for.
Oh my goodness, thanks, Caesar. Appreciate this, homie. So, what's your name? Where we going?
My name is Catalina, and we're gonna take this county for every stinking cent.
Oh.
Hand over the takings or I blow your fucking balls off! Fuck off!
I ain't losing another crappy job because of some crazy bitch.
Drive! I know a guy who'll pay for this rig and its cargo.
Steady, steady.
This ain't my fight!
Pull alongside.
I'm scared!
Keep up with him.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die!
Block their route.
I'm scared!
Get ahead of them.
That rig will crush us!
Steady, steady.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die!
Pull alongside.
It ain't worth it!
Keep her steady so I can get a good shot.
I'm scared!
Hello, Mr. Wheat.
Mm-hmm. You come to the wrong farm, boy!
Beat him down! It's all he's good for! Hey, who is this guy?
Don't know, but it looks kinda shifty. Roll him in some pig shit!
It's my constitutional right, bitch.
He's a combine rustler! That son bitch stealing Betsy! Easy there!
Stop that dang varmint!
My daddy's gonna kill me! Would you mind letting me?
Man, you brought peace back to my valley. Thank you, friend. I'll call you when the whoop-de-doo is ready. Just make sure you get that cash.
You a professional moron or just a gifted amateur?
You're out of your depth, boy. I ain't a redneck, boy! You think you're tough now?
It's low.
Respond to a 1037 in Central Angel Park. Suspect last seen on foot.
You got heart.
You...
Hey, what we got left?
Are you stupid? Did you forget already? The bank in Palomino Creek, the liquor store in Blueberry, or the betting shop in Montgomery.
Okay, well this time we gonna do it real chill. No crazy psycho shit, baby.
Speak for yourself, soft boy. Today, I feel like killing all the men I meet.
Oh, baby.
Don't worry, I make an exception for some of the men in my life. Now drive faster!
You wanna rob a betting shop?
Open the back room door or I blow your fucking face off! Leave the panic button or I'll kill your children too! I warned you, you stupid bitch! Stupid fucking bitch! Now I kill you! Eat my shit! Go! Get in there and open the safe! Stop playing with your balls and hurry up! Get out of my way!
Okay, I got it.
About fucking time! You're a fucking sloth!
Whatever, let's roll.
Get in the fucking car!
Hey, this gonna be real ugly in a minute.
Die, idiota pigs! I kill all of you police dogs! Get us back to the hideout!
You're fucking psycho.
All you little men are scared of strong women. If we're passionate, you say we're crazy. If we're upset, you say we're hysterical. We sleep with men, we're sluts. If we don't put out, we're frigid bitches.
Who you calling little men? You went berserk back there.
That was just another day at the office. You can't stand the heat, go put your tiny balls in the freezer.
Tiny balls. Now just wait a minute.
Enough! Just shut up and drive. I'm counting the fucking money. To impress me, Carl Johnson. Here's your cut, big man. How was it?
Different.
I knew you would like it.
Look, baby, I thought we was gonna make some serious paper.
I'm starting to get really bored of you.
I just need the money.
And I'm just a cheap fuck? A whore you don't even pay?
No, I didn't say that.
Carl, I say I'm in love with you, and you act like I'm an idiot. I see the way you look at other women. I know you're kind, Carl. I am serious. I will kill you if you ever mess around. I will castrate you first, then I will make you...
Enough! I need some fucking money.
Carl, you are really boring me now.
Please, sweetheart. I got in some real deep shit.
Okay, maybe today we hit it big. Carl, you're on...
Oh, look here, gun. Oh, shit!
Shit! Smash the ATMs and get as much gas as possible.
Give up! You're surrounded!
Quick! We haven't much time!
Okay, go! Don't be stupid!
Better take the back door! Follow me!
You think I'ma give up?
Don't you touch me! Ah, take cover!
Gotta try the back way. We were waiting for you.
The mark, huh?
Cover me!
Give up! You're surrounded!
Pick him up a little, you retarded asshole!
I'd give up now if I was you.
Keep going!
Now run away.
You two, free!
Grab a bike and follow me! Do you think you can keep up with a real woman? What's keeping you?
Oh.
You slow bastard! Are you afraid of speed, Carl?
You trying to kill me, boy?
Take me home, Carl!
Okay, look, but we gotta talk about something.
What? What do I have to say to you?
You're a great girl and all, but you gotta calm down. I know some cold-blooded cats wouldn't act like you.
Oh, you get given a lioness and you want a pussycat? With?
No, I just want...
Do you know why I act like this?
No.
I'm in love, Carl. A woman's heart is a tempestuous place, and you will break my heart. Sometimes I want to kill us both.
Please, don't do that. Just relax a little.
Come on, Carl, move it!
You want a bullet in you, huh?
I feel good today, like a woman reborn.
Cool. Maybe you won't go berserk, huh?
Oh, I go berserk, but not until I really feast.
Oh, well, that's a relief to hear.
Perhaps this time no cowboy motherfuckers will get in our way.
Amen to that.
Come on, drive.
What's wrong?
Nothing, I just hate men.
Well, give me a break.
Here's your break. Your break is you're not on my barbecue being eaten.
Well, that's one way of looking at shit, I suppose.
Now, try to be a man this time. Drive, lover. Come on, move your fucking butt.
You don't look like you need this no more.
Faster, you fool! I saw you laughing! What were you saying, eh? Don't you laugh at me!
Watch my damn head, bitch!
You're driving like an old lady!
Stop shooting that thing right next to my ear!
Oh my God, Carl! Back to Fern Ridge, Carl! Take me home now, big man.
How we do?
Is that all you care about? Money?
No, but I really need to pay for it.
There you go.
Thanks.
One day, Carl Johnson, you will realize she truly loved me, and your heart will break in two. But you are more like the spiny lizard than a man. Goodbye.
Somebody's gonna be mad at you for screwing up their ride. Hey, guess what? It's loaded.
assholes! Right-wing assholes!
I don't feel too good.
It's a crying shame, ain't it?
No, I mean, I think I'm gonna black out.
Fight the ocean and you will drown, brother. Carl, man, we'll take the mothership and get our shit out of here.
Go get her fired up. I'll finish burning, and I'll follow you. What you pull over for?
You better drive. I haven't driven in 15 years.
You was doing all right?
Yeah, then the fear hit me. Now I'm rolling a number to calm the waves.
Shit, I better call Caesar. Hey, Caesar, no time to talk, man. I'm on my way to San Fierro, okay? I'll meet you and Kendall at that garage I won at the races. Holla at y'all later. Hey, this thing go any faster?
Man, we got 3 tons of grass on board. The engine block is held together with a macrame hammock and it's running on 15-year-old cooking oil.
Shit, can you shoot?
Shoot, I'm a hippie. The only thing I've shot is acid. Well, I heard about this dude snorted it once. Thought his nose was a kangaroo and the moon was a dog. Woo! Hey, you want to hit on this? A little temple cherries and a cocktail with some Nepalese munga munga.
Put that thing out, man. I can't see.
No out, brother. It's good shit.
Put it out, motherfucker. I'm warning you.
Whoa, chill the fuck out. Firstly, you are a real buzz killer, amigo. And secondly, I never made love to my mother. She wouldn't. And thirdly, we're in this together, so be cool.
Sorry, man. I just don't drive when I'm faded.
There she is, brother. San Fierro, the city of psychedelic wonders.
Man, I can't believe I ain't been here before.
There ain't a better place to escape the man.
Okay, Mr. San Fierro, where's the spot at?
It's in Doherty, on the east side of Fierro, between Garcia and Easter Basin.
Jesus, we screwed. When'd you get this?
1967.
How you get around if you don't drive?
I have an astral goat called Herbie. She's faster than most, but getting old.
Yeah, whatever, man. You talking shit.
This is the place. Whoa, Jesus, dude. Looks like you've been fed a bummer.
Hey, man, how you meet these dudes anyway?
I met them at the 89th year of Lovin', apparently.
Apparently.
You know how it is, man. A field of tents, crazy-ass music, a quart of mescaline vodka, polar bears.
Polar bears?
Yeah, go figure. But they were funny guys, man. Great sense of humor. This here's Vietnamese gang territory. Tenang boys, shining razors, butterfly children. Watch yourself, dude. These kids...
So, you know, like, what's the deal, dudes?
I'm opening the garage in Doherty by the waste ground. You know, Car mods, lowriders, all that shit. Damn.
Do polar bears shit in the woods?
No, but they've been known to shit in the liquor tent, if I remember it right.
Yeah, that was like so far gone, man.
Look, buddy, I'm gonna come right now.
What we here for anyway? Come on, dude, what's all that about?
You don't want to know.
Why?
Do you know what a subdermal neurophone is?
A what?
Exactly. Sometimes it's best to stay in the dark, kid. Dude, Dwayne, man, how's the hot dog business?
Look, what's going on, True? Who was them dude?
Don't go there, man.
Listen to Jethro. Now, what if I told you we never went to the moon? JFK lives in Scotland with Janis Joplin. And the only reason we've been in a Cold War for the last 45 years was because snake-headed aliens run the oil business.
I think you popped another micro dot.
Good. Keep it that way. Carl, 0. Carl.
What's up?
Carl here is opening a garage around the corner. I told him you're the man to speak to when it comes to electronics.
Actually, I'm the only man to speak to. Grade A tip-top genius, that's me. You should drop by the shop sometime. See some of my...
Okay, we here.